guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola. I talk about weight management, weight loss, meal planning, a little bit of family, lifestyle, staying healthy. And today I'll be showing you how to fix the Ofada rice. I have three types of rice. I'll explain the benefits and the nutrients. So I'll show you how to fix fried rice or Ofada rice for very healthy living. We all don't have to use a polished rice all the time for our fried rice. I'll show you how to fix the fried rice in a very fabulous, healthy, weight losing, weight maintaining style. So if it's the first time here, please consider to subscribe. Subscription is free. And for my returning subscriber, I say thank you very well. Thank you very much. You guys are the best. And without wasting too much of our time, let's get started. Okay guys, here I have that's a basmati rice. It's a polished rice. This is the Ofada rice, and this is a regular rice in Nigeria, unpolished. It's a little polished, they're all polished anyway. And this is a brown rice here. So these three rice are very different. It's just that all rice starts from brown, but once they start processing them, then it all becomes very attractive, pleasant looking, and appealing. So but the most nutritious one is these two, Ofada rice, and here is the brown rice. So in this rice, it tastes good. Some of them are fortified with nutrients like folic acid, magnesium. If you look at the nutrition facts, a lot of times the polished ones, they are artificially fortified, versus this one that still has its natural nutrients like selenium. We all know that we need selenium, which is really good, and magnesium is really good for our nerves and blood circulation as well. So also the wheat rice also has all these nutrients. And as far as the glucose index, this is said to have 70, and this has 70 and this has 50, meaning that you absorb this faster into the bloodstream, and this one, it takes its time to get into the bloodstream. So these two are safer for diabetic patients, and this one is highly discouraged for diabetic patients. So a lot of time people go with this because it's appealing, and it's, I think, a lot. And another thing is because it's easier to fix and it doesn't take long. But these two takes a longer time to cook. So yeah, we all need fiber. These two are rich in fiber. Sometimes these ones are artificially fortified with fiber as well. Women under 50, they need, I think, about 28 grams of fiber per day, while men need 35 grams of fiber per day. And you can see this in the 7. So these are my ingredients for the rice that I'm making today. And here I have, that's hot pepper, chili pepper, that's tomatoes, fresh cut tomatoes. This is red bell pepper, and believe it or not, red bell pepper has 3 times of vitamin C than we find in our what do I call it, in our oranges, in our lemon. So that's my cucumber, that's my cilantro leaves, my fresh cut green beans, and this is all garbage. And if you're in a country where you cannot find these leaves, you can switch it with curry or bay leaf. And this is my seasoned, well seasoned chicken breast. And here, so this is my ginger, fresh cut ginger, and here is my garlic. So here I have a fresh turkey as well. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make this as a sauce. I'm just gonna dump everything in the rice. So I will be showing you how I fix all this and put them together in the pot side by side. So don't go away and follow me to the video. But I'll be using the Ofada rice. I just dumped the fresh turkey into the pan. I have maybe about, I would say, 100 ml of water in here just to steam it. So I'm going to cover it, and it's on it. I'm going to put it on a low heat. There you go. And yeah, that's the turkey I'm going to use. I haven't decided if I really want to use it as a stew, or I'm just going to use it as a chicken, turn everything in the rice. So I'll decide as I cook along. All right, I hope you're enjoying this moment. Okay, so that water is coming to boil. I saw something shining there. You see what I was saying? See, that's a nail. You see, that's a nail in the rice. So I'm just going to pour. I'm bringing it to boil so I can actually wash it. Alright, and this one, I think I'm just gonna make a little sauce out of it. So usually I don't add additional cooking oil. I just put my seasonings, everything. This is it. I'm gonna turn it down all the way. So that is onions and tomatoes. So believe it or not, tomatoes is rich in vitamin C. Okay. I have a green pepper too that I'm going to put in it, and just cover it to let it steam, and that's just going to be the sauce. It's like a sauce, a little bit of a meat sauce, and that's the rice there boiling. I'm just going to bring it to boil and rinse it really well, and make sure I don't have other particles as much as I can see. Okay, so guys, that is the rice. I've tried to wash it, and I don't know if you guys can see at the bottom. Yeah, that's those are stones, not even sand, stones sitting at the bottom. So that was why I kind of washed it with the warm water before cooking it. So I still have my nutrient because it's not really cooked, but I have all the particles soaked in it. So yeah, now I'm going to rinse from there to this pot to cook. Then I'll show you how I'll be doing the mixing. Put a light here. And I think this one is done. I don't know if you guys can see it. So it's so funny how we can guesstimate exactly what we need, and that's exactly what I need. So it's about 60, no, this is more than 60. Yeah, this is 60 ml estimated of cooking oil, and that is my olive oil. Okay, so what I'm going to do is steam the chicken first. I have a chicken breast. So this is my chicken breast. Okay. Doing this. Okay, and that is my sauce ready sitting there. That is my rice for the steaming. Yep. Okay. think it's done. So that's the chicken. Let me see if I can move the camera over. I don't know why I'm using this big pot today. I don't even know. Okay, so I'm going to be pouring the vegetables. Okay. Okay. Yep.